Okay, let's try this again. I think I'm recording this time. This is the Chinese church. You can barely see it in the distance. We're in front of the building museum. It snowed so much that the trees are actually breaking. The limbs are just cracking off the trees because there's so much snow on them. Metro's digging out. You can see that their sidewalks look clear. There's a big pile of snow there by the Burger King. But it's still coming down. We have about a foot already. And here I am with Barclay. Hey Barclay. Yeah, we're going for a walk. He's a little overwhelmed. But having fun in the snow. Yeah.